Hi guys, my name is Abir, and in this video I'm gonna talk about the 10 stocks that I'll be buying in the month of June. If this is first time you are on this channel, welcome to my channel. On this channel I make videos about finance and market, and I basically come from a cloud engineering background, so I'm a AWS certified engineer, and I make videos regarding personal finance, and you will learn from my experience, like whatever I do, how I spend, my strategies, how much I am spending, and how much I am investing in a stock market. So if you are interested, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe, as there is 93% chance that you are not subscribed to my channel, as I can see from my analytics. But other than that, I'm happy with my life, and I hope you guys will enjoy and learn something from this video, as I am not suggesting you to do the same or buy the same stocks, but at the same time I want you to understand my investing strategy. I am going for long-term investing, so I'm not buying any penny stocks or anything like that. Neither I am investing in cryptocurrency. I've been in and out of cryptocurrency a couple times, and honestly, I'm glad to say that I have made some gains in cryptocurrency. So without wasting any more time, I'll jump on my computer and I'll show you guys what stocks I'm buying now. Alright guys, so this is my stocks portfolio Excel sheet. I actually have another one that I'll share with you in a minute, but this basically shows all the 10 stocks that I'll be investing in. So if you can see here, I have column A, which represent company, then we have symbol, then we have market cap in $billion, then the date of the purchase, which will most likely be June 15 or the week of that. And then we have current price as of today, the current price of Amazon share in this case, and then the total investment I'm making in Amazon share. So since I'll be investing in 10 different companies, so I have divided the total investment of $621 between these 10 stocks. So basically the portfolio that I have is a combination of growth as well as dividend stocks. So I don't prefer one over the other, but at the same time I want to have advantages of both. So obviously you can start investment with the way and with the type of investment you are more into, or whatever strategy suits you best. But for me, currently I'm investing in both types of stock. So these stocks basically range mostly from $200 billion to more, and that is what I have learned in the first 6 months of investing in the stocks market. So what I have learned is, if a company is not a reputable company, you are basically risking your money investing in them. So if you are willing to do so, go ahead and by all means do it. But for me, as I said, like, I'm basically a cloud engineer, and I earn my hard-earned money from development and basically working on Amazon's cloud service. So that's why I'm so loyal to Amazon, but I don't want to waste that money basically. So all I'm trying to do here is to make a portfolio which is not just with blue chip stock companies, but at the same time it is valuable. I see value in the company itself, and that is what my strategy is. So you can agree, or you can agree to disagree with me, but this is how my investment of $600 look like in the month of June 2020. So as you can see, it's not a round figure, 621. But one thing I want to show you guys here, I will share the link of this Excel sheet down in the description box. I have shared in my earlier videos as well. If you're interested in those and how I started, you can click in the description links. But the one thing that I wanted to show you before jumping into the numbers is that if you click here, you are seeing this Google Finance formula. So basically everything I'm using is coming from the current price. So if the price of this changes tomorrow, this in the Excel sheet, this price is gonna get updated. So this is pretty neat feature, and I think it's more close to calling APIs, which which is what I do for a living. Just a side note. So this is interesting. I'll paste the link in the description box so you can copy the same features and create your own Excel sheet if you want. Alright, so first company, as you can see, is Amazon. Blue chip company, obviously. $1,259 billion company, so basically close to $1.3 trillion company, and I'll be investing $75 in this. As I said, like, I'll be investing in other companies as well, but most likely those are either gonna be dividend paying companies or a company which has track record of amazing market cap. So second company is Facebook with ticker symbol FB, and market cap is currently around $659 billion, and date of purchase will remain the same, and current price will be $231, and I'll be investing again $75 in Facebook. So this will be my second investment this coming week. Then the third one is Alibaba. Alibaba basically owns the largest e-commerce business after Amazon, and if you see the market cap here, it is actually, I think I missed a zero here. It can't be I think it is 458, not 4,580. Did I miss a zero here? I think I did, but anyway, this is the third company that I'll be investing in. Market cap is huge, and close to $500 billion. And then the current price is $219, but the investment that I'll be making is $100. So why I'm making more investment in Alibaba rather than in Amazon is because I think that Alibaba share currently is well positioned for a huge gain, and also it is very fairly valued. It's if you see Morningstar ratings, its fair value price is close to 215 or 17, which is very close to this 219 number. So there's that. So that's why I'm investing $100 in Alibaba stock. So number fourth company that I'll be investing in is Apple. Apple is, we all know, it's the biggest company of them all. It's 1,445 billion dollar company, basically close to 1.5 trillion dollar company. Current price, it's at its peak, actually $333 for a share. So I'll be investing $50 in it. As much as I want to get in with Apple shares, and I believe in the company, I think that current market price, as we all know, is is little hyped. So I'll be conservatively spending this much in Apple company. So that's why $50 for Apple. Then my fifth stock here is going to be Microsoft, one of my favorite companies for stocks. Again, it is close to $1.4 trillion. There's just a little bit of gap left between these two, Apple and Microsoft. We all know what Microsoft does. It has spread its legs in all kind of businesses. It is now serving. Microsoft is second biggest cloud after Amazon, of course, provider, and it has won $10 billion contract from DoD as well last year. So we'll see how it rolls out, because Amazon has filed a case against them, but we'll see how it all goes. But at the same time, if you see at the current price, 188, which I think is a very decent price for a company like Microsoft to get in. So I'll be investing $75 here in this fifth stock of mine. Then comes Johnson & Johnson, good old Johnson & Johnson, with a market cap of $387 billion. And the current price is 147 per share. It's a round off price, so don't mind if it's a few cents here and there, but I'll be spending $100 in Johnson & Johnson. So why I'm spending $100 in Johnson & Johnson is because I don't currently own any of this share. So this is a blue chip company. We all know 58 years of paying dividends and increasing those dividends every single year is art in itself. So I wanted to get in with Johnson & Johnson with my $100 investment in the month of June. Then comes my seventh share here, and seventh share is Verizon. I have already invested in Verizon share and have seen some gains already. It has a market cap of $240 billion, and with the current price of $58, I think $50 investment should be good enough in Verizon. It is a dividend paying company, and obviously it has a decent dividend over 4%, which is good for a company of this size. You can basically trust and rely on this, and it's undoubtedly a very sustainable company, because one of the reason is its a feature that it has, allowing all the consumers of it to have internet. So internet is not going anywhere, right? So if people are basically in the population of America is increasing, then obviously more neighborhoods gonna come out, and then those neighborhoods gonna have internet connection, unless Google or some other company come up with 5 or some other crazy internet speed. Unless that happens, Verizon has a stronghold in its consumers base. So I'll be spending $50 more in Verizon share. Then at number 8 we have AbbVie. AbbVie is obviously an blue chip stock. It has a great dividend history, and it's in a space where I don't have much, so I'll be investing in Johnson & Johnson and AbbVie because of the healthcare and what we have seen recently. So all of that scenario, because I wanted to get my hands on somewhere in the healthcare industry. So these two picks are from healthcare industry. So again, market cap is $167 billion, and again I'll be spending $50 in AbbVie. Then on number 9 I have Exxon Mobil. Exxon Mobil, the price tanked and I didn't buy at that time, and now I am not feeling good about it, but gotta do what you gotta do. The market cap is $231 billion, and current price is around $55-56. And I have bought a couple of shares of Exxon before as well, around the same price, so it is basically gonna cost me the same, and I'll be investing $23 in Exxon Mobil, so I'll be getting less than half a share here, but hey, I'm investing in it, right? That's all that matters. And my last stock is Comcast. Comcast is a company that I currently don't own, but with a market cap of $197 billion and a good payout ratio as well, and a decent payout ratio, I would say, and also a very good dividend yield. So I'm investing $23 to buy half a share of Comcast here as well. So this is the total of how much I will be spending in all of these shares. So I wanted to share my experience with you all. And the other sheet that I was talking about that I have made for all my stocks is this sheet right here, and it is more it has more data, it has more of everything actually, and I also keep track of dividends there as well. Haven't updated it in a month or so, but I'll be updating this one and share with you guys. So this is all what I have created myself, and I'll be updating this with my new stocks and taking out the ones that I don't actually own anymore. Occidental Petroleum, I acquired a couple of shares, and here it says one share, but I have acquired a couple of shares, and then I had to sell at $22 or $23 when they cut the dividends payout, which was going crazy. So that's why I had to get out, and this is one of the big reasons that I won't be investing in such companies which is either paying a really high dividend yield or have very less market cap. So these two signals are both right. So basic strategy, right? And if these two signals are red, then I'm not gonna invest in any company like this. So VYM, we also know that it has a market cap of close to 30 billion, which is very less compared to other companies here, but it's a ETF, and I don't think Vanguard is going anywhere. So that's why, just to spread my portfolio and have diversity in my portfolio, I started investing in Vanguard high dividend yield, which yields about 3%. And I think currently I have 4 shares, so I haven't updated this, as I said, in a couple of months, but we'll be updating this as well. I'll be sharing links to these two sheets, so you can also invest if you want. This is not advice here, but this is how I'm planning to invest this month of June 2020. So these are my shares that I wanted to invest in, and I wanted to tell you guys that these are the stocks that I have researched, and blue chip companies. If you see here, I'm going a little conservative here with the spike in the market, and I'm investing in all these companies which have like reputable market share, and they have big market cap here. The only company that is close to $150 billion is AbbVie, and so AbbVie is the least having the market cap So that's why the investment of $50 going there. So other than that, I think this is how I wanted to show you guys how I'm investing in my future plans regarding investing in the stock market. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys really like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, share it with your friends, and click on my other videos if you really like such kind of content. I'll be creating more of such videos, and I hope I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself and people around you. Goodbye.